Good day to you all. It's great pleasure to see you through this video and my best wishes to you. We all join through this channel sharing good thoughts to create positive society. No poison can kill positive thinker and no medicine can cure negative thinker. Please like this channel and please share and comment which is improve this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Welcome. Let us see today's video clip. Blessed Happy New Year to all. Everyone have a question that why we need to take the goals set on New Year. Is it for another day? It's not possible. You need to know one thing. If you do anything, either good or bad, 21 days, it will be habit. So New Year comes in, new thoughts are coming. Already I explained to you, thoughts are nothing but life. So this New Year, new thoughts begins new life. That's why we set the goal every year. Today, 31st December 2021. The same day 1 year earlier, 31st December 2020, I have spoken the same concept, New Year goals. Now I want to ask you the question, how many of you to follow the goals till today? If you say yes, congrats for maintain, and please you sustain and you can add some more good habits in 2022. If your answer is no, then you ask yourself why you cannot achieve, why you cannot fulfill your targets. Is it desire, dreams is enough to fulfill the goals? No. Without actions, your goals are only desires. With action, it will be transformed. Always you set achievable goals. Some of us fix the goal is unethical or it's not the practical goals. For an example, you wake up every morning 7 a.m. If you said, okay, next year onwards, I'll wake up 6:15 or 6:30, it is possible. You have a big desire, dreams. So if you set 5 a.m. or 4 a.m. I wake up, is it possible? Yes, possible. 1 or 2 days, 3 days. After that, you feel so tired. It's okay lah. So you give up your goals. So you have to be set, your goals have to be in achievable goals. Now I'm going to talk healthy lifestyle. Nothing but new. Already I have explained to you. I'm going to refresh one more time. If you follow this healthy lifestyle, your life will be much easier, stress-free. Not only that, peaceful and more happiness will be coming. If any one of you asking, how is your health? People mean health is only physical. Already I explained to you. Health means physical, mental and spiritual. Physical means our body. Mental means our thinking. Now I am going to give you the tips. For physical, 3 tips. For mental improvements, 3 tips. The last one, spiritual, 2 tips. The first tip for the physical. You have to stretch from your head till your toe every day. You need to do 30 to 45 minutes every day daily exercise. You must stretch out. You can do simple walking or slow jogging, whatever you want, you can do that. Cycling, swimming, whatever it is, every day 30 to 45 minutes you need to do that. Second, about your food. Don't eat full until the neck. Eat 3/4 quantity is enough. Morning eat full, afternoon eat okay, at night you eat lesser, which is good for you. And please avoid oily foods, sugar items, fast foods, snacks, prata, biryani, all these are you need to avoid. You can consume 2 weeks once, 1 month twice is okay, but not for the bulky quantity. Number 3, you have to sleep every day at least 7 to 8 hours very peacefully. Whatever you busy, you need to maintain 7 to 8 hours. Also, you cannot sleep more than 8 hours. Some people sleep 9 hours, 10 hours, 11 hours. It will be giving your health issues. Try to avoid before you sleep 30 minutes. Don't use your mobile phones. Put charger apart from your bed. Number 2, mental health. Already several times I enforced one thing through my channel is think positive. That leads you always success. Even though you are failure, but if you have an attitude, think positive. From the failure, you will pick up good points. Nowadays, the world is going towards negativity. So many YouTube channels, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, because they shows always negativity. People like to hear. Negative minds always give you depression. If your depression level will be high, it will be leads to your psycho. Second thing is enough. Don't be greedy. Whatever you have is enough. Think about it. When you come, nude. When you go back, also nude. Don't carry anything. So always you need to be satisfaction. Think about it. This will pass away. Whatever precious moments, if good or bad, it won't be sustained. It will be go away. So no need to worry about that. Be standard. Be normal always. The last one is learning. You learn something new this year. Why? If you learn new informations, your brain cells are refreshed, renewed. Once the brain cells are renewed, it gives you are very young. At the same time, you don't have memory loss issues. If you like music, you try to learn. If you like cooking, you try to learn new recipes. If you like book reading, you go and read. You like to learn languages, you go and learn. I prefer traveling around the world so that every place there is a unique people, unique culture will be learning. It's very good for you. The last one is a spiritual. Always you believe there is a supreme power beyond you. You cannot do everything. So that whatever you have questions, stressful, just put upon the supreme power. So you will be enlightened your way and your stress will be reduced. The second one, every action has an opposite reaction. That's called karma. Don't do good things because people see you. People see you or not see you doesn't matter. Always do the good things. If you cheat someone or you do something bad, definitely the bad thing come back to you. Always remember that. That's why we have seen how to take care of your physical health, mental health, spiritual health. Finally, you remember, no pain, no gain. You want to achieve something, you have a pain. You need to pass by pain. There is no shortcut in our life to achieve success. When you step towards the hill, you feel very pain. But once you achieve the top of the hill, you have a very beautiful view. So whatever I explained to you, you want to achieve, you have a pain. Don't give up. Once you achieve, you need to sustain. It's very important. Yesterday I achieved, today is okay. Always sustain your good habits so that once you sleep, you will be sleeping peacefully and you will be happy and more peaceful from now till your last breath of your life. One more time, blessed New Year wishes to all.